Welcome! In today's video we show you how to make 3 fun Halloween crafts. Let's get started! Today we make Halloween crafts with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. The first thing we will make is a scary puzzle. We will need popsicle sticks, tape, a paintbrush, white glue, and a drawing on a paper, which can be printed or hand-drawn. We're going to start by placing our popsicle sticks like this, very close together. Now we're going to put several pieces of tape on the back, like this. This way they will not move and our puzzle will look perfect. When we have it, we turn it over and it's time to put our image on top. First, we check that it fits well and that there is a part of the image in all the sticks. We don't want any of them to be left out without anything. And now we start. We're going to pour some white glue in a container so we can put it better with a brush. And now we're going to put it over the sticks, covering it all very well in a very thin layer. Now we carefully put the image or drawing where we like it. And pour another layer of glue on top. Be careful not to create any folds, because that will make our puzzle look worse. You could also have made a drawing directly on top of the stick, but we already showed you that technique in this video. If you're interested, go watch it when this one is over. And remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos. When we're finished pouring glue all over the surface, we'll let it dry for a couple of hours to make it look perfect. When it's dry, we'll remove the tape that we put in the back. And it's time to cut. I forgot to say that we will need a cutter or an X-Acto knife. Remember to use it very carefully. And with a lot of patience, we're going to cut it right along the line between each of the sticks. It's better to go slowly and use a little pressure so that the paper doesn't break. The best trick to get it right is to make several very smooth passes over the line until it separates by itself. And now we have it! Look how well it has turned out. We love this Halloween badge from our Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon series. In this episode, you can see its appearance. It was very funny. Well, we continue with the next craft. We will need a freezer bag, some plastic Halloween bags, some paint, ours was neon, and a little bit of water. We start by dyeing the water with the paint, so that it has a very bright color. We shake it very well to mix them. And we have the water for our sensory bag ready. We take our plastic bag and we're going to throw in a few insects. Mine were flies. In my case, since I will use them in class with my students, I'm going to put 20 so that they can count them. It's a lot of fun because when you put water in the bag, they constantly escape and it's very difficult to count them. You'll see later. I already have the 20 flies that I wanted, so I'm going to pour the water into the bag carefully. See how they're moving? This sensory bag is the best. I'm sure the little ones in my class will love it. When we have the water, we do this carefully to get all the air bubbles out. And when it's ready, we close it very well so that no water escapes. And now we can enjoy our Halloween sensory bag. It's amazing, and like all sensory bags, it's super relaxing to play with them. Both for children and adults really. And of course, if we put the black light on, it's even better. Since we put fluorescent paint, with the black light it looks so cool. What do you think? We'll read you in the comments. And you can't miss this! As we're telling you these days, we have a lot of new Halloween resources on our website. Have you stopped by to check them out? There are a lot of cool Halloween games and decorations. We'll leave you a link in the description of this video. Let's continue with the last craft. We will need some orange foam, black cardboard, white glue, scissors, and some green pom-poms. Although for this, you can actually use another piece of cardboard or even green wool if you have it. We start by making a kind of pumpkin shape on our foam. For that, I folded it and I'm cutting the shape like this to make it symmetrical. This shape doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just doing it because we will make a mosaic and I need to have some pieces a little curved to make our pumpkin look better. As you can see, I'm making mini cuts to create all the pieces. The smaller the pieces are, the more difficult the craft will be, but the prettier it will look. This activity can be done with small children or for you, because it's super fun for all ages, promised. Now that we have all the pieces ready, we're going to take our black cardboard and we're going to put some white glue on it. Now with a brush, we're going to spread it like this to cover the base of our mosaic. Just like that, perfect. And now we can put the pieces little by little, as if we were doing a puzzle, making sure that the pieces fit together as well as possible. And when we finish, we put the 2 green pom-poms on top. As I said before, here you can put cardboard, wool, foam, whatever you can think of, to give it that touch of color and make it look more like a pumpkin. When the glue dries, carefully cut out the pumpkin shape . And now we have to give it a more fun touch, so let's add a cute face like this. We glue the eyes, the mouth too, and that's it! Now we have a very original pumpkin that has been super fun to make. Did you like it? Which of today's ideas did you like the most? This pumpkin, the bud puzzle, or the sensory bag with the flies? We'll read you. And before we go, this week we send a very special greeting to the channel Artista con el Corazón. We hope you like the video a lot. Remember, you can watch this same video in Spanish on our channel. I will see you next week with a new cool Halloween idea. Bye!